Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear learners and viewers, how are you? I hope you are well. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. This is Abdul Bari, lecturer in English, Sonapukur Surubi College, Parbatipur, Dinajpur. Today I would like to talk our most important topic, that is, how can you concentrate on your studies? That means, how to concentrate on studies. This is a very important topic for the students, for the learners. And today I will clarify some specific tips, some major 5 tips and 3 bonus tips. Major 5 tips and then 3 bonus tips. All these tips I hope that will help you very much to concentrate on your studies. So I think that you will stay with me and enjoy the class. Let's get started. How to concentrate on studies? Who are the students? Most of the times they feel some disappointed and depression. In that situation they face problems. How can they concentrate on their studies? So this is very much urgent to know how can you involve yourself in your studies. Major 5 tips. First one, set study goal. Being a student, you should have particular aim. You know that without having an aim, a student can never reach his or her destination. So if you want to do successful in your life, you should have particular aim. According to your aim, you should study, you should struggle, you should work hard. Then you will be successful, no doubt. So my recommendation to you, who are the students, please select your aim, and according to your aim you study a lot, and you think that when you don't feel happy or you feel unhappy, in that case you will think that yes, I have an aim, I have to fill up. If I am not able to fill up my desired aim or having that aim, what can I do, or what should I do, or what will be happen in my life? All these thoughts you have to think. When you will select an aim and you cannot study, you will think in that time that if I don't study appropriately and effectively, how can I get my desired target, or how can I reach my desired destination? It will be so much tough if you don't study continuously. Then come to the point of make routine. You have selected that what you want to do, but which process, which methods, or how can you fulfill your target? And for decision you should have a good routine, schedule, timetable routine. For example, when you wake up in the morning, you should have particular target that today I will complete these activities, and you start from the very beginning of the day, and according to your routine you should complete all of your activities. If you complete all of your activities, I think that through this process you can complete all of the activities before your coming day when you will be successful. So you should have particular routine. Which routine will help you to complete the work? Which routine will motivate yourself to complete your deeds, and you praise yourself when you complete according to your routine. You reward yourself when you complete your activities. Through this process you go ahead. Inshallah you can do better. Then make a study group. Who are the students? They know that what is the significance of a study group. A study group can play a very vital role in your life. If you make a study group, I think that group will helpful very much in your life. But when you will make a study group, you should have memory memory that what type of students will be present there. If you are the job seeker, you should have English student, math student, Bangla student, biology student, physics student. That means varieties of students, varieties departments of students will come in that group. Why? Suppose you know so much well in English and some of your friend is very much active, very much expert in mathematics or another subject. So if you make your group different students, different subject students, I think that they will be very much helpful to develop your study group. So you have to make a study group, and through this process you can be more concentrative to your studies. Don't neglect this topic at all. It is very much helpful. In my practical life, I have also seen such type of effective positive sides. Then come to the point of learn to say no. As a human, as a student, you should have good confidence that man can do many things. So if any person is able to do any particular difficult activity, so why are you not? Obviously you will be able to do the work if you have particular aim. So my request, you should have confidence that you can be able to do any activity if you have great determination, and according to your determination you want to do that work. Otherwise you should not say, I will not be able to do that work. Manus can do, man can do. So you will continue your activities according to your target, according to your goal. Then come to the point of find effective methods. You know that different varieties of methods are present to complete any topic. For example, you are a student of mathematics. One math can do in different ways. Some ways can be difficult, some ways can be easy to you. So which ways are easy to you have to continue that way. For example, you want to go a particular place. Suppose you want to go from Rajshahi to Dhaka. There are some categories, there are some roads. For example, you can go to Dhaka by train, you can go to Dhaka from Rajshahi by bus, you can go to Dhaka from Rajshahi to Dhaka by plane. That means different ways are present. So which way is effective, which way is more meaningful in your life, in your present situation, you have to think, and according to that you have to choose your path. Then you will be successful in your life. So if you want to be a successful student, you should have particular target, particular methods, which methods can be helpful, and all type of books you can get from, you can collect from the market. Different categories of books are present in the market, and these books can give you more effective methods. How can you memorize, how can you collect knowledge easily and within very short time? So obviously you should have effective methods. Then come to the point of bonus tips. Bonus tips can help you more effectively. How? Suppose you are an officer. You are an officer and your salary is 20,000 taka. But when it comes of the time you get basic, you can get salary to your basic. That means when you feel so much good. So bonus tips means which tips can give like bonus. Good health. We know that health is the root of all happiness. Without having good health, a person, a student can never be satisfied in his life. So you should check and double check to your good health. Good health can give something positive, something good. If you have no good health, you cannot do anything, you cannot feel any good. So my request, always think about your good health. Suppose you are the richest person in the world, but your health is not good. In that case, you never feel good. So always check and double check to your healthy body or good health or sound health. Come to the point of forest app. This is very much interesting. What is forest app? Forest app is such an app which can give an inspirational idea. What is this? When you open this app, a tree will grow. Gradually it will grow. And if you close the app, the tree will die. Do you think tree cannot give anything, tree can give such a thing which can help you to live in this world. Tree gives oxygen. Trees provide oxygen, which is very much needed for human beings, animals. So if it is alive, it can provide oxygen. If it dies, it can't provide oxygen. And without having oxygen, any human being cannot live in this world. So how much significant this app, you can easily understand. What is the relation between human beings and this app? When this app is one, in that case it grows. It can give fruit, it can give wood, it can give shelter. A lot of benefits we can get when tree is alive. So when you start your study, in that case you will open this app, and when you are going on your study, this app is grown. That means your learning, your knowledge is grown, or your learning is growing up or increasing. Your learning will increase when you start, and when you close this app, this tree dies. When you close your studies, also your life dies. So my recommendation that you don't close this app in your life. Learn from cradle to grave, and I think that if you learn from cradle to grave, inshallah you will be successful in your practical life. You can enlighten the society and other peoples. So follow all these major 5 tips and 3 bonus tips which can help you to concentrate on your studies. And without studying, you never can succeed in your life. If you want to be a successful businessman, of course you have to collect knowledge, you have to learn something. And if you want to learn something, you should have concentration on your studies. So my request, all of my viewers, this is my channel. My channel name is English Motivation 21. Motivation then 21, there has no gap between motivation and 21, no space. So go to the YouTube channel and search place English Motivation 21, and you will get my profile pic and my channel, and my request to subscribe my channel so that you can easily get next videos, and also press bell icon button so that you can get all of the next videos easily. You can get notification. So thank you very much for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.